What up? Good morning, how's it going, you lovely people? Today is Friday the 22nd July, very early Friday the 22nd July, it's about 3 AM, about 3:30 in the morning. And the only reason I can really be up this early is to head to another country. Today, or in this weekend, I am going to Norway, which is awesome, never been to Norway before, so another country ticked off. Now, I've got to drive to the airport, get there nice and early. Hopefully there'll be no traffic on the roads as it's ridiculously early and no one should be up at this time. So yeah, let's go. Man, I'm so friggin' tired, so tired. I only got about 5 hours sleep last night. So yeah, now heading down to the gate, hopefully find the guys, if they're there. It's only just been announced, the gate number, so yeah, but I'm almost falling asleep, so I've got to get up and like keep myself awake. We've got some of the crew here, it's Andy, Dan, and Nikki's over there. Yeah, we just happened to book the same row seat like when we were booking our flights, which is pretty cool. So yeah, now short flight to Norway. Okay, so all the crew have arrived in wonderful Norway. I mean, there's a waterfall over there, there's waterfalls over there. This part of the crew, the sun is shining, it's supposed to be raining today. We've been driving for about 3 hours. So yeah, just heading into a supermarket now to grab some food, because you know, we've got to eat. I haven't actually eaten for like about 10 hours, I think. So yeah, food is high on the agenda. It's not a bad view, if I do say so myself. Little cabin thing here. Fjord, it's literally just there. Absolutely fantastic glacier up on the mountain. Snow, waterfalls, everything. Got a fantastic meal cooked by this guy and Chloe. Absolutely amazing. Family dinner. Okay, time to head to bed. Like 10:30 at night. Look how light it is. It's still like bright out at 10:30. Yeah, I've had a shower. Pretty much everyone's gone to bed because we've got to be up early tomorrow morning. And yeah, today's pretty much been a travel day and just a bit of chill this evening. We've just been planning tomorrow and the next day what we're going to do. So yeah, all getting organised for that. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow for an early start. What up? Good morning, how's it going? You lovely people. Today, Saturday, 23rd of July. What a way to wake up, guys. What a way to wake up. Not bright and early, lovely view of the fjord. Yeah, today we're going up to do the Trolltunga hike, which is going to be awesome. It's going to be a long hike. We're all getting ready now, just waiting for the other guys to arrive, which they should be here soon. And then, yeah, going to head on out and do some hiking. Made it onto the trail now. Hiking up, only a short drive from our cabin, so it's not too far, but the first part of it's like really steep stairs. So yeah, quick break and then continue.
Very nice, isn't it?
Had a bit of an accident with a fan. Yeah.
Oh, it feels so great.
Whose fault was it?
I've done it.
Okay, so we made it up the hardest bit now, and we're kind of on a level plateau now. Stopped going up and sort of leveled out. We stopped this little waterfall area. It's a bit of a relax. Enjoy the view. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah. And there's a bit of cloud cover at the minute, so you can't really see the mountains over there, but it keeps breaking and it looks awesome. view from up here, it gets better and better. I mean, we're pretty much at snow level now as well. Still really warm, sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. We're very lucky with the weather because it was raining yesterday. Well, it was raining a little bit yesterday. Apparently it's been raining the last couple of weeks, so perfect day to come for the hike. And yeah, it's just absolutely spectacular. We decided to go and have some fun in the snow because why not? We're on top of a mountain.
You know I love it when
Oh my god, that is so cold.
Made it. Good job, guys. Oh, now I've got to queue and wait to get out. It's busy at the top. Okay, so photos all done. Lunch is done. Drone flight is done. Just kind of chilling out. Everyone else is kind of eating lunch. So yeah, we'll eat lunch and then probably head back down. And yeah, go back to the car, finish the hike. Basically, it's pretty busy now. Like the queue's pretty big. But yeah, it's amazing view, absolutely amazing view. Well needed water stop. I think everyone's out of water.
You don't mind this bag getting wet, right?
No.
Medicine.
You got it. Go on.
Oh.
Awesome job, guys.
Yay!
High five.
And good high fives.
High five.
Yay! We're done.
I'm going to the toilet.
Yeah, that's the same as how I'm feeling.
Yes. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Got it. All round. Good job. Oh man.
Yeah. And breathe.
Oh yeah.
What's everyone doing?
Oh yeah, we can make it sometimes.
I'm
Having my sandwich. Sorry.
Yes.
Which one do you like?
Just one of these. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Those chickens. He's eating. Cheers.
Can you do mine as well? I used to do it with lighter. I don't know if that's the same way.
I don't want to. I don't trust myself with
I don't
big
trust it with a
knife.
knife. Yeah.
Oof. Sweet.
Thank you. Yes, please.
Buy books.
Buy books.
I like $5. Yeah.
It's all good, by the way.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Earned it.
Yeah.
Nicky, look how wasted Nicky is. She's wasted.
Gone.
Oh my God.
Half a beer.
But she's holding to the beer.
Yeah, it's not letting go of that beer. All done for the day now. Literally everyone's in bed, fast asleep. I stayed up getting the drone footage and photos and stuff off. All the footage and stuff from today. So yeah, it's like, I think it's like 11 o'clock, just gone 11 o'clock. It's still pretty light out. I'm going to head to bed now. Yeah, it's been a brilliant day. Like, there's a few guys who haven't ever hiked before, like properly, and they absolutely smashed it. We all done really well today. So yeah, it was a really, really good hike. Definitely worth doing. Nice little day hike. You can go pretty much at your own pace, so it's cool. And yeah, so tomorrow there's a few of us who are, well, everyone was keen to do glacier hiking tomorrow, kind of booked it. And now this evening when we come back, everyone's like, a few people are like, not too sure. So we're going to see who's keen for it in the morning, get up, see who's ready, who's got the legs to do it, and then yeah, we'll just go from there. I think there's a few of us who are definitely doing it, so I'm going up definitely. And yeah, it should be a really good day. I've never done glacier hiking, and you can do ice climbing as well, so it'll be a really good fun, really good experience. So yeah, it's been a fantastic day, so I'm going to sign off now guys, because I really should get some sleep. So remember guys, always be kind to strangers, because you never know when you're going to be one yourself. Catch you later guys.
Feel you on the